Hi there, welcome back to Canvas training videos here for Rigetti High School. This video is going to be about using rubrics with your assignments. So here I am creating an assignment with a rubric. So I've already created an assignment, so I've titled it Rubric Example, and I'm very creative. Okay? One of the things about rubrics that throws people off is that you have to create the assignment first. A lot of people start looking for where the rubric goes when they're creating the assignment, but it is actually once you have already created the assignment, then you go back to the assignment, and here is this plus rubric button. So I'm going to hit plus rubric, and it starts to create a new rubric for me. So here's where you can do a lot of different things. You can, off the cuff, create a rubric for this specific assignment. So remember, everything in Canvas gets saved, so this is going to be my rubric. Okay, I can edit the description. I'm going to change this, say it's the writing portion of something. Okay, I'm going to add a criterion, and this will be the artistic portion of the assignment, and then maybe this will be the formatting. Okay, so maybe I have those three pieces to an assignment. Automatically it suggests 5 points for each. If I want to add a middle, so that gives me a 3. This is really easy. It starts to do things automatically. Now you can see here with the rating description, I've got room to create a really long description to be really specific about what's going on. I can change these to be whatever point value I want them to be. It automatically changes it here. Another option here is to hit plus criterion, and it will remember criteria that you've had in the past. Okay? Or you can hit find rubric. We do have a few rubrics in here that have been created by other teachers, or I have uploaded for Rigetti or for the school district. You can see here under Rigetti there are 2 rubrics specifically about bringing your device to class. So if you wanted to throw in an assignment about bringing your device to class and that it is charged and ready to use, or that you stay on task while using your device in class, there are rubrics in here already created. All you've got to do is click use this rubric. The weekly one is one that you could put in for each week, and this includes some significant detail on you're bringing it, it is charged, it is ready, all updates have been done, those kinds of things. Another couple that we have in here are SBAC writing rubrics. We have argumentative and explanatory. You can see these are very detailed. They have the full text of the rubrics as they've come out from the state of California. If you find one in here that you like, that you want to use, so say I want to use this SBAC one, I'm going to click use this rubric. So even now using this rubric, I still can edit. Okay, if I edit this, it will create a new rubric that is based on the original. It doesn't change the original, and then the new one is saved by me, by the user. So if you create one, it's saved as your rubric. It doesn't get saved into the district file cabinet. But you can come in and you can change the title, you can change the text in here, you can make some adjustments as necessary, you can delete components if you want. You could add more areas in here in the middle if you wanted to change. And another thing is you could add more criterion. So if you have specifics, you want it to meet the criteria of the SBAC writing rubric, but you also want to add a criterion for correct formatting or something specific to the actual writing assignment that you've given, that it is on task and it refers to the details of whatever the assignment is. You can add those and change them. Okay? So then you'll want to click, you want to use this rubric for assignment grading, okay, and hit update rubric. I'm actually not going to keep these because it doesn't matter. There, I'm going to hit cancel. Okay, so here's this one. And then when you do an assignment that has this, the students are able to see the rubric, so they can see how they're being graded. And then in the speed grader, it will pop up and show you exactly the criterion, and the teacher will click. So you got a 4 here, you got a 3 here, You get a 2 here or a 1 here, and it adds up the points and it gives them the grade. Right, I'd be happy to go over this with you one by one, walk you through it step by step if you'd like. Give me a call. My extension is 2827, or send me an email. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.